Here's the question, can we invert sine? Look at this sine wave. If we draw a horizontal line, it cuts the wave not once, but at many points. That means sine is many one value comes from many different angles. And the many one function has no inverse. So we restrict the domain, we keep just one branch where the function is 1. That restricted branch is called the principal branch, and the inverse is built from it. For inverse sine, we take the principal branch from minus pi over 2 to plus pi over 2. On the unit circle, that's the right half. In this half, every height, every sine value, gives exactly one angle. So sin inverse x has domain minus 1 to 1, and range minus pi over 2 to plus pi over 2. The principal value always lies in this right half. For inverse cosine, the principal branch is different, from 0 to pi, the upper half. Every cosine value, every horizontal position, gives exactly one angle in the upper half. So cos inverse x has domain minus 1 to 1, and range 0 to pi. Note, cosine inverse is never negative. Now inverse tangent and inverse cotangent. Tangent takes every real number, so tan inverse x has domain all reals. Its range is minus pi over 2 to plus pi over 2, but the endpoints are excluded since tangent is undefined there, so it's an open interval. Inverse cotangent also has domain all reals, but range 0 to pi, again open. Inverse secant and inverse cosecant are a little special. Their domain is mod x greater than or equal to 1, because secant and cosecant never take values between minus 1 and 1. Sec inverse has range 0 to pi, excluding pi over 2. And cosec inverse has range minus pi over 2 to plus pi over 2, excluding 0. Let's compute some principal values. Sin inverse of 1/2, which angle has sine 1/2? In the right half it's pi over 6, 30 degrees. Now cos inverse of minus 1/2, in the upper half it's 2 pi over 3, 120 degrees. And tan inverse of 1 equals pi over 4. Remember, the answer is always the angle inside the principal range. Let's summarize the domain and range of all 6. Sin inverse, tan inverse and cosec inverse have ranges on the right side, from minus pi over 2 to plus pi over 2. And cos inverse, cot inverse and sec inverse have ranges on the upper side, from 0 to pi. Memorize this table well, it's essential for exams. 2 important tips. First, sin inverse, tan inverse and cosec inverse give principal values in the right half, between minus pi over 2 and plus pi over 2. While cos inverse, cot inverse and sec inverse give them in the upper half, between 0 and pi. Second, always give the answer inside the principal range, or you may lose marks. If this helped, please like and subscribe. And to understand inverse trigonometric functions in 3D, keep watching MAGPIEHUB.